So within our curriculum, we start with the basics. So with knife skills, very heavily weighted down on sanitation. They are learning the foundations of the cooking. So that could be from sauteing to braising to roasting. We were working on baking today.
Some of the things that we have learned at the beginning of junior year, we mainly started with serve safe. And that's basically the guidelines of how you work in this industry, and it gives you all the basic fundamentals and knowledge that you're going to need.
And then the curriculum also includes dining room service and hospitality. So they're learning how to serve to the public, face to face, all the steps that they have to do from order taking to delivering food to actually processing the check and taking payment.
The Center Cafe is ran Wednesdays through Fridays. Students serve in the restaurant. There's 4 servers and 1 host. Then there's going to be 3 line cooks, 2 people on pantry, a dishwasher, and then people making soups and also prepping for the next day. So an eventual dream of mine is to maybe open up a restaurant later in life.
FCCLA is our career tech student organization. It helps us organize competitions. Last year, I was lucky enough to have students that were very, very driven. They set a goal as juniors. They won first place in the state. They ended up finishing 2nd overall in the nation. So it was a very exciting experience for them. So any students that are interested in the program, what I would tell them is come in with a hard work ethic, be ready to learn, know that what's on TV is really easy to do, and I'll show you the real world, and we'll actually do some real cooking that's not hidden behind a camera.